Visible Supply Chain Management recently announced that it has acquired Dallas-based Tricon Logistics, a logistics and fulfillment company based in Dallas. This will help Visible by bringing new expertise in international transportation services. Apple, American multinational technology company, announced that it will begin making its own chips to end the dependency on Intel. CEO Tim Cook said the company will produce processors for its own desktops and laptops, which makes a huge strategic shift. Innoven Capital has invested Rs 13 crores in Let's Transport, a marketplace for fulfilling infra-city last-mile deliveries. It enables enterprise clients to book light commercial trucks and manage booking for distance range 100 to 200 kilometers. Walmart witnessed 74% jump in online grocery sales brought by the pandemic. The company is soon launching a subscription service similar to Amazon Prime. The membership, to be called Walmart Plus, will cost $98 a year, less than Amazon's $119 per year Prime service. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, that is MIT, has designed a robot that is capable of disinfecting the floor of a 4,000 square foot warehouse in only 30 minutes. In the current situation where there is no term end to the pandemic, this robot can serve as an effective solution of disinfecting warehouse and supermarkets. YRC Worldwide Incorporated lenders gave the troubled trucker a 3.5-year reprieve on its heavy debt load as the company prepares for $700 million federal bailout package. YRC is the fifth largest trucking company in the US by revenue. In an e-symposium on logistics management, Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Nitin Gadkari said that unless innovative transportation models are executed, high logistics management costs will remain. According to him, entrepreneurship and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future of our country. United States Senator Johnny Ernst said that ongoing pandemic has alerted Americans to the weak link in its supply chain. The United States particularly needs to address its dependency on China. Past efforts to shift supply chains out of China and back to America had limited success. America plans to shut down their manufacturing units of medical supplies and defense material in China. The Nepal government has taken a decision to shorten the supply chain for the welfare of consumers. The Department of Commerce, Supply and Consumer Protection has drafted regulations to limit the layers of intermediaries to 3, which previously passed through 7 layers of middlemen. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. And for more such videos, follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter.